Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Inventor 2018. This time I will be showing you how to create assembly drawings. So, as I did in my previous tutorial, I have loaded my template and now I will go on place views. I will click on base, but this time when it comes to select the part, instead of selecting an actual part, I will select an assembly. I'll make it 2 to 1. Maybe that's a bit too big, so I'll leave it on 1 to 1. I'll place a single view this time. So I'm going to place it here in this corner. The next thing that I will do is I will edit the view and use shaded instead. The next thing I will do is creating a section view. So I'll click on section, select this view, I'll find a midpoint and another midpoint. There we go. Right click, continue. So it's loading my section view, which I will place just below. And now what I will do is I will right click on my section view and I'll click on create view, projected view. I'll point in that direction, right click to create, and now we'll just pull it here. So as you can see, I've got an isometric view of my section, which is quite nice when it comes to viewing an assembly and being able to see all the components. Okay, so the next thing that you need to know, if you would like to fully display certain parts, you don't want the section cut to apply to certain parts, then you go on the original section, which is this one. Then you find the part that you want to display. So in my case, let's say if I want to display my axle and maybe one of the nuts and or both of them, or maybe the driver or maybe the bearings. Then I'll select them, right click on them, I'll select section participation, and I'll select, instead of section, I'll select none. And that should load the parts now. So as you can see, all the parts have loaded. So if we now want to add a bill of materials, it is pretty simple, straightforward. All you have to do is go on under the Annotate tab and click on Parts List. So select view, so I'm going to select this view for instance, and then Inventor will identify the assembly and every part name, and it will do the job for you when you click on OK. So I'll place my list around here, and as you can see, Inventor already knows the name of each part in the assembly, so it's using the original file name. It also knows the quantity in the assembly file, and it has automatically assign numbers to it. So all you have to do now is use balloons to identify each part. So when I click on balloon, now I can, for instance, select this part and it will create a balloon. Right click, continue. Number 6, yeah, so that's correct. Now do the same with the hub. Right click, continue. Number 2, hub, yeah, that's correct. Number 1, axle, that's correct. So, and so on. So, it is very simple and very straightforward. What you can also do, you can also edit your columns, but you can even edit the content. So, for example, you can right click on your parts list, click on edit parts list, and then under here in column chooser, you can, for example, add more content to it. So, for example, you can add material. And now it should update. Column chooser, material. Oh, you have to click on apply. You can also edit your parts list directly from here. So you can change your part numbers, the item number, the material, everything you want to add. Something you could potentially do, you could also, under your description, you could also add the type of fit between the shaft and the bearings, or between the bearings and the hub, or whatever that applies to your particular assembly. That information is particularly interesting. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.